In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a logo to your invoice in QuickBooks Online. This is a great way to personalize your invoices and give your clients a professional impression, aligning your invoicing with your brand identity. Let's dive right into the process. Starting off, you'll need to log into your QuickBooks Online account. Once you're in, direct your attention to the top left of your screen. Here, you'll notice a button labeled New. Go ahead and click that. This button opens up a variety of options for you to choose from. But today, we're focusing on creating an invoice. So, from the drop-down menu that appears, select Invoice. After selecting Invoice, you'll find yourself in the Invoice editor. This is where you can customize the details of the invoice. It's a helpful tool not only for creating a detailed account of the transaction, but also for ensuring that your invoice stands out with your personal touch. Now, let's zero in on the top right corner of this invoice editor screen. You should see a placeholder for your logo, which might currently display a default logo or a blank space. To add your logo, simply click on the Add Logo option situated right there. A window will pop up, allowing you to upload your desired logo from your computer. It's important to ensure that your logo is in a compatible format. Usually, QuickBooks Online accepts JPEG, PNG, or GIF files. Once you have your file ready, either drag it into the upload area or click to browse your files and select your logo. QuickBooks might take a moment to upload the logo, but once that's done, you'll see your logo appear in that space on the invoice. And there you have it. Your logo is now proudly displayed on your invoice, giving it that polished, branded look. It's that simple and takes just a few clicks to complete. Once you have added the logo, review your invoice to ensure that everything looks as you intended and that all the information is accurate. Then, you can save or send it to your client, knowing that your invoice now represents your business brand effectively. This process not only adds a touch of professionalism to your correspondence with clients, but also reinforces your brand identity every time you send out an invoice. That's all there is to it. Feel free to use this method every time you need to prepare an invoice in QuickBooks Online. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and that it makes managing your business finances a bit easier. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.